No, you know, our president always leave the country to go for gift. So I want to give him gift. I think you see, he always leave the country to go for Jesse now. So we want to give him Jesse. We got important issue in this country to discuss. You understand what I'm saying? For typical example, the Thursday before the season, this government, honor Ambassador Weah, took another 20,000 from our reserve. You understand what I'm saying? Altogether is 45 million, United States dollars have been taken from our reserve. We don't know where it gone. You understand? For each time we give, we put our issues on the floor for our president to be fair, the speaker refused. And we are not ADK to this president. This is another separate branch of government. You understand what I'm saying? So we have decided, saying he go all the way to Qatar now for Jesse. We want to give him Jesse. I think you see, George Manuel Weah, number 14. You understand? He believes in Jesse, so we want to give him Jesse so he can stop going all over the country. The president always travel with huge delegate. For what?
What was the days of total disrespect to the president?
What you call disrespect? The president has disrespected the country. You're talking about disrespect? Have the president not disrespected the country? He has violated all the laws of this country, not so? This president has violated all the laws of this country. The organic law of this country is the authority of the Liberian people. Have been disrespected by him. So he can be disrespected.
The president is not here. Who are you going to present?
I'm going to give it to a principal deputy, the speaker, because the speaker is a principal deputy. For each time we bring matters on the floor, the speaker do not bring it on the floor.
But law, the speaker is the chief administrator of this house.
Yeah.
The principal deputy.
Look, let me tell you, you're not speaking for me, please. Let me speak for myself. Let me be here liable for what I say. Not you. You understand what I'm saying? We have done so many occasions, so many letters on so many occasions to send for officials to come before us to explain to us. You understand? Look, Article 34D of the Constitution gave us the authority to give you the authority to borrow and to levy taxes. You understand? This government took $25 million from our account with our consent and took additional $20 million with our consent. So we want to know what happened. For each time we do the communication to the speaker's office, he don't put it on the floor for what? Have we become security to the president? I am not going to be security to this president.
But what's the interpretation of this gift?
The speaker can receive it like gift.
What's the interpretation of this gift?
The interpretation is the president should stop using the Liberian resources to go run after Jesse. We got serious issue here. But now people should have been arrested for the $25 million that were taken from our reserve, including the $20 million that were taken from our reserve. You know extra $20 million were taken from our reserve? Are you aware that extra $20 million were taken from our reserve? Are you aware of that? Are you aware of that? So we brought, let me talk, don't talk for me, please. So we brought this football, we brought this Jesse, saying he believes in football and Jesse. We're going to bring the red card and the whistle. You understand what I'm saying? And whistle to give it to him so he can start running up and down. We want him to stop using the Liberian resources, and going outside this country to go look for Jesse. In return, we are not getting nothing in return.
What wrong with the U.S. government giving the president Jesse?
But why he can? Okay.
Obama,
forget about Obama, man. America is okay. Why you always like to say Obama? You can compare the era that called country with America. Liberia is an era. This president have made Liberia to be an era. You understand? Nobody respects Liberia anymore.
I just agree that Liberia is an era.
That's how I look at it. Not you. I'm not speaking for you.
What will this presentation do for Liberia?
The presentation, you know what we'll do? The money he's taking to charter a private jet to go to get Jesse, we can give it to him right here so he can get the Jesse instead of going outside the country. Provoke who? He has provoked us by violating and disrespecting the Constitution of this country. Have you not disrespect? You see the impeachment proceeding of Honorable Kabina Janneh? It's a disrespect. It's a mockery to the democracy. You understand? So saying he has become a football president, we give him Jesse and football.
Do you think?
Will you take it back to where it come from?
Take it back. I will have to put it in the session. That one I'm properly dressed.
Do you think?
La Somali Prairie House. It is Somali Prairie Room.
Are you saying that you're taking this session?
It is Somali Prairie Room. I am taking it there. And I'm not going to be stopped for taking it there.
To discuss issues of the house.
What issue? What issue? Did we have quorum on Tuesday to conduct session? You put a journalist, you put have become biased too in the process. I was there, you saw how many persons were there, right? You saw how many persons were there. We know how quorum. And you put agree that we have quorum. You understand what I'm saying? Look. This country is now a joking country. Let this president stop joking with the Liberian people. I think it's about time he go. He ain't all the country.
Last day.
Communication to present.
But the difference is that
I spent, you know the president left Jesse now. So I spent $100 US for the shirt and the shorts. Then the printing aspect, everything came out of $150 US. Then I bought it, the football for $40.
do you think maybe wondering why is it you didn't present it to McGill, the acting president?
Who is McGill? Who is McGill? You have to reduce myself to going to McGill the way the president, the speaker can run to McGill. You tell about labor, you don't respect my authority, eh?
Do you think
What's wrong with you? You tell about labor.
Do you think this president has desecrated the
No, the president have code NAV. The president have code NAV with the central bank and the finance minister to steal the Liberian money. I got no regret to say this. Where it level you. Where the $20 million gone? Where the $25 million gone? The final thing is the president should start getting in plane using the Liberian resources. We will give him anytime he needs Jesse. Now we'll give it to him here. He don't have to travel again. You understand what I'm saying? So we got Jesse. Now where is he bringing back? Where is he bringing back? So you see, George and we are 14. You understand? The man's a football star will come and make LFA president.